Welcome to my channel. This is Siri. I make videos on fashion, beauty, lifestyle, travel and sometimes even vlogs. If you're coming to the channel for the first time, then don't forget to check all the previously made videos which will be listed in the description box. And if you are just returning back, then thank you so much for coming back and watching my video. And please, if you haven't subscribed yet, do subscribe to my channel. Okay, so in this video I'm going to tell you how you can save minimum of 1000 rupees on your haircut or your saloon services. Exactly, I'm gonna tell you how you can save and also have a beautiful haircut. As you can see, my hair is pretty long. Actually, in the lockdown it has grown like almost below my waist. So as you can see, this is this long I have. Expecting this lockdown and this COVID to be over soon so that I can just go out and have a haircut. Generally I don't go to salons to get a haircut. I generally do it at home, but this time because we were sitting at home since so long, I was wanting to go out, but it's still not safe and I'm very scared to go out. So actually I think like me there will be many others who wants to go out, but either they are scared or they just don't want to waste money. So I'm gonna teach you how you can have a beautiful haircut, and in this video I'm gonna tell you my favorite haircut, which is a V shape. And for this you don't need any professional tools or any professional experience. Trust me, I also don't have any, but we can do it with just so little experience, actually no experience. And yes, all you need is a comb and scissors. That's it, you don't need anything. If you have a curly hair like me, if you can see, I have curly at the top and straight because at the end, because I went through a keratin treatment, so that's why it's straight in the at the ends and curly a little bit. But as you can see, my hair has become literally very dead at the ends, so that's why I want to get rid of these ends. So for that I'm going to get a haircut. So what you have to do first is actually oil your hair very nicely. I'm just asking you to do this so that you have that spa kind of treatment at your home. So I'm just gonna add a small bit here, that how I oil my hair and how it helps me grow my hair long in a very less time. But if you're not interested to watch oiling your hair, you can just skip to the time frame, which I'll be adding in the description box, where you can directly see how I cut my hair. But I would really recommend you to watch the hair oiling routine, because it literally helps you people to grow hair very fast and long. I think I have seen a lot of tips and tricks in YouTube that a lot of people are telling us, doing so many things. Okay, do like this, do like that, apply hot oil, apply cold oil, apply this oil, apply oil on this time, don't massage, don't do this, don't do that. Okay, so I'm not so sure how many of these tips and tricks work, but I have used one of the trick and it literally worked for me, and I've seen the difference. So that's why I'm gonna share the one trick which I have used and which has worked. So that is very simple. All you have to do is take some oil. I'm taking coconut oil here, not promoting any brand. I'm just taking this particular oil. Rub it in your palm so that it becomes a little bit warm, and once it is done, just lift your hair and put it with your fingers. Don't put it with your palms. Try to always put it with your fingers or fingertips, because palms, when you do like this, it just try to move the roots and your roots become very loose and you tend to have a lot of hair fall. So that's why just try to put it with your fingers. And once you have applied the entire oil, just flip your hair like this, flip your hair and try to massage. So it will just increase the blood circulation in your head, and it will try to promote the hair growth. It will definitely increase the length, and it will also increase the decrease the hair fall. So I have used this, and I'll not say that oh in one night it will grow amazingly, but yes, once I have used 1 month, I guess, I was trying to do it every twice a week, and I used it for 1 month, and I saw almost 1 to 2 inches difference. So I think that's actually good part. So and it also depends on how fast your hair grows and all. So if you have if your hair is growing very slow, then try to do it for 2 months or more than that, then you'll be able to see the difference. But I assure you, you'll definitely see the difference, because I saw that. After I have washed my hair, I'm just gonna take a comb and try to remove all the knots, and make sure your hair is completely dry. I know in salon they make your hair a little bit wet and do it, but no, I would prefer completely dry. And try to comb your hair, make sure that you don't have any knots. And if you have a hair like me, I would suggest you to get a straightener, or here I'm using this Philips Kera Shine Ionic. So this is kind of a brush like thing, in which I can actually brush, and also once I switch it on, it blows hot air, so it kind of straightens my hair. It doesn't straighten properly, but it does some amount of it, and I don't need a perfect straight hair. I just need that much so that I can cut everything perfectly. So I'm just gonna fast forward here a little bit so that you can see how I do it. So now I have straightened enough, as much as I need. So I have kept the straightener away, and all I want to do is, first I want to check the length, till what length I need. So I am preferring something till my elbow, because I have a hair length almost below my waistline. So I am preferring till my elbow. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm just gonna put all my hair to one side to measure it. So once you have measured it, try to measure it by your hands or something. It's almost like my hand length. This much I'm gonna cut. So all I have to do is leave my hair and flip it back like this. Sorry, flip it in the front, and all you have to do is take every strand possible in this side. So here is the first rubber band which I'm gonna take, and just gonna make one ponytail here, exactly on at the beginning of my forehead. Okay, now you have a ponytail here, and everything is almost covered. Next thing is, as I know, I have to cut this much length. And so I'm gonna put a rubber band again at the point where I want to cut, because that actually helps me to mark everything. So I have the small rubber band here, and I'm just gonna take it. So this is the length I want to cut. Always try to cut a little bit long only, because if you want, you can decrease the height again. But if you cut very short, and if you're not happy with the height, then you might regret. So that's why I always try to keep a little bit short only. So this is the height I'm willing to, as you can see, and almost all the ends are dead. So yeah, once it is done, I think it's perfect. So I'm just gonna hold it like this and gonna cut.
Till I get up.
So I have cut this much hair, as you can see. Just gonna open the rubber band and see if there are any inequalities, which I can see definitely, and I'm just gonna cut them and try to do a little bit like this, so it just doesn't have a rough opening. And check my length, if I'm okay with it, or do I have to cut it more. And here I go. Actually, it was not clearly visible in that particular color top, so I just changed so that I can show you guys. Now, as you have the V, Now you can cut into V layers, which I'm gonna do. Why? Because I particularly like them a lot. So I'm just gonna take all the hair from the front, leave the back part like this, and gonna take only the front part. And if you're a little bit irregular in parting, that's totally fine, because anyways it's gonna blend. And now, as you can see, I have little bit irregulars here, so I'm not gonna put any rubber band here. I'm just gonna split it like this, and just gonna trim the ends, not much. But as you can see, this is how your hair falls, and which I really like. I hope you like this video. Then please hit the thumbs up button. It will really motivate me to create more content like this. Thank you so much for watching till the end. If you have not subscribed till now, please do it, and also hit on that bell icon so that you are notified whenever I'm on YouTube again. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Love you all.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.